Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device access and unlocking it, then open the app actively sharing your live location. Tap the profile or settings icon because that's where location sharing controls live. Once in settings, look for privacy or location. This is the control center. Make sure to note which account is active if you have multiple profiles, since changes apply per account. If prompted, authenticate with PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. This prevents accidental changes and secures your location control. You now navigate to location sharing or live location within privacy. Once there, identify any active sessions. These often show recipient names or a timer. Tap an active session to reveal the control to stop it. When you choose Stop Sharing or End Live Location, confirm the action if asked. This halts real-time updates. Make sure to repeat for each contact or group listed. If the app offers a global toggle for live sharing, switch it off to stop new sessions immediately. You finish by verifying that the app displays not sharing or shows no active sessions. If it still reports sharing, force close and restart the app. Sometimes the UI lags. Once done, restart the device if necessary, because permissions caches can persist until a reboot. If the problem persists, check operating system location permissions and revoke background access, or log out and log back in to refresh your account state. One tip: if contacts still see updates, ask them to refresh their app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.